Assalamualaikum and good day to my doctor. My name is ASYIKIN binti JAMALUDIN. My matrix number is 262946. Today, my group and I will present about the using anticipatory logistics and crowd management. For introduction, anticipatory logistics is in every sector. Effective companies know how important it is for a client to get what he or she wants at a glance. In order to streamline their materials procurement, production, consumption, warehousing, order management, and transportation, companies are also developing a strong anticipatory logistic features. After that, for the crowd management, the coordinated and substantiated preparation and guidance given to the orderly arrangement of events where a large number of people come together is the meaning of crowd management. Crowd management is far more than just activities. It also used to satisfy customer loyalty in other contexts. Okay, my part is using anticipatory logistics in crowd management in warehouse management. Warehouse activities such as receive goods, identify the goods, dispatch to the storage, hold goods, pick goods, marshal shipment, dispatch shipment, and operate an information system. All this need to be done by a group of people in that warehouse by using AI and OIT to make their work run smoothly to meet customer satisfaction. Okay, using IoT and AI to handle crowd management in warehouse, which is warehouse activities can be transformed by the Internet of Things. First, the end-to-end inventory monitoring for the shipment of the product to the warehouse to its delivery to the doorstep of shopper can provide the manager with the status alerts of warehouse location inside the IoT tracking system and notification in event of complication. After that, with vision begin, the workers in warehouse can use the smart glasses with select items quickly and move them to separate warehouse zone. After that, RFID in technology in IoT can store volumes of data considerably larger. Then, with the wearables, warehouse employees can easily recognize goods and shipment by using connected service. Okay, after that, an artificial intelligence, which is the workers can use in warehouse activities, because an artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science linked to the creation of smart machines and software capable of performing tasks requiring human intelligence. Firstly, the warehouse automation robots can be used to automatically stock and store goods in a warehouse. A GVS is used to support assembly or manufacturing lines in work in progress and finished goods application. GVS are also used in inbound and outbound handling for replacement and for picking. Lastly, autonomous mobile robots can travel independently and use sensors and cameras for navigation assistance. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass for the next presenter.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hi Dr. Amy. I hope you had a great day. My name is MUHAMAD Arif Fahmi bin YUSOF and my metric number is 264157. I will continue with my part, which is technology management in crowd. First of all, I will explain what is technology and technology management. Technology is a general term that refers to the use and understanding of instrument and crafts, and how our capacity to influence the response to the world is influenced by this instrument and craft. Technology is a product of science and engineering in human society today. In order to build instrument, computer, goods, and service that fulfill our needs and expectations. Technology is the collection of information, abilities, and techniques by which humans modify terms and use our world. Meanwhile, technology management is innovative and exponential and extends its effect on our life and skills for organizations that hope to adopt more sustainable processes, keeping up with the advancement of technology may be overwhelming. So here, I will tell the technology that being used in crowd management. The first one is using RFID in crowd management. What is RFID? RFID is a type of tracking device that use smart barcodes to label objects is RFID tags. RFID is short for detection of radio frequency, and RFID tags use radio frequency technology as well. This radio wave transmit data to a reader from the tags, which then transmit the information to the computer program RFID. RFID tags are commonly used for merchandise, but they can also be used to detect Alzheimer's disease scars, livestock, and even patients. Also, an RFID chips can be called an RFID labels. Let's see RFID in Logistic 4.0. Which RFID and Auto ID, hardly any other sector will profit as much as logistic. RFID, through smart technology and therefore all object ratio perfects an Internet of Things. RFID for the smart factory is of such significance. So here I will explain the benefit from logistic business, the speeding up of dynamic workflows, simplified database with realistic list of inventory, movements of easily trackable goods, reliable tag object location, smart handling of commodities, and completely automated recording of operation. Staff no longer have to manually verify the forms, number, origin, and destination of incoming and outgoing item, since the RFID device independently clarify this question and loads all RFID data into the cloud. This is how RFID technology helps vendor and manufacturers to interconnect so that they can have a smoother buying experience for buyers and gain the requisite knowledge to secure better sales decision. So let me see the application of RFID. The first one, agriculture. RFID is helpful for monitoring the movement and welfare of farm animals. It means that the right food is taken from animal and the plant. Second, laundry automation. RFID could be helpful in the laundry management system of big corporation where they have a massive amount of employees close. Third, kiosks. Kiosks may also use RFID to handle resources of or to communicate with their client. In addition, it is often used for an immersive media show where the cards and certificates are integrated by RFID system. Fourth, library system. The library RFID system aims to the reliability of circulation activity. Barcode with proper positioning and line of sight are also used for libraries. So, which cloud RFID can scan the cloud will scan the RFID tag for multiple angles, which make the check-in and check-out process way faster than or that of barcode. The next one is using EDI in cloud management. EDI is the Electronic Data Exchange, or EDI is a technology that allows trading companies and partners to do more efficiently by speeding up deadline for logistics and eliminating human mistakes by business automation to business communication. EDI helps companies such as supermarket, suppliers, banks, healthcare providers, airline, and more to produce, ship, buy, or sell products or offer service. Now, I will tell the advantage of EDI. Adapting to electronic data sharing has allowed enterprise to reduce paper systems that have contributed to substantial cost savings, not just because of proper costs, but also because they require less labor to handle and maintain information. They were able to process data much quicker and with greater precision in terms of data efficiency, resulting in improved relationship with their partners, accelerating the business cycle, and reducing the order to cash cycle. How does EDI works? Using purchasing orders as an example, by gathering and arranging all the details, the purchaser plans their purchase order so it works with EDI. The method generates an electronic file containing all the details needed to construct an EDI sheet, rather than printing a buying order. To convert your internal data into EDI standard format, it must be fed through the EDI translation program once the document is produced. If you do not have in-house EDI tools, you should give a details to an EDI service provider to convert the paper into the right EDI format. Why we should use EDI in crowd management? Because EDI can make customers satisfied. What they like is pretty easy for most clients. They want healthy goods available where they need them at a decent price. The basis of giving your client what they want is EDI. This helps you to ensure that consistency of the order and speed up the payment process, and provide you the ability to enhance customer contact so that they really know where their order is, the supply chain and distribution process. So I think that's all from me. I will pass to my friends to continue with their part. So thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURHAFIZAH binti NORDIN. My matric number is 264602. So I want to present about my part, which is inventory management in crowd management. What is inventory management in crowd system? Inventory management refers to how many units each commodity is stocked up or kept with other retailer and distributor. Inventory management not only on goods but control of people in crowd management. In crowd management, we need to prevent and manage the inventory from disaster. According to Moshe Modiano 2020, every year we heard heartbreaking stories of shops with poor control over retail crowd that poses care customers unintentionally. Create a list of all places in your shop that might pose a danger and things we need to avoid accident before we set up the crowd management plan. Next is propose healthcare management system in crowd management. There must be no compromise on the health and wellness of people in crowd. Medical information about your participant must be registered and preserved at daily, repeated crowded event. For example, Tabung Haji provide various services to meet customer requirement and demand. The next is inventory management using IoT in crowd management. Malaysian airports are developing initiative at KL International Airport through the use of big data analytic mobile application. Intelligent features include a travel scheduler which offers information on airport traffic in real time and on queuing time for touch point like to check-in counter, and a navigator that encourage and make navigating your ways to the airport enjoyable. The IoT offers sports stadium, high traffic control and crowd. Provide fans with a more memorable experience of making buys and watching replays via smartphones. Next is effective queuing system in crowd management. First is school queuing system. The queuing method was a single queuing line and one server in the case of the school cooperative mart. For males and females, there are different counters as the school cooperative management wishes to avoid the combination of two genders in queue. The next is retail store manage their crowd. Retail store may employ qualified personnel in retail store for crowd management. The employee who secure the entry will only allow a few customers to join the business. For example, around 5 clients will join the shop at a time. The number of clients entering the shop depends on the crowd in the store already and the rate of clients leaving the shop. Queue management system. A queue management system is a software that enables you to queue and collect feedback, track information and accelerate service in real time. Inquiries that are currently carried out in three ways. First is standard line queues. This type of queues describe the regular or usual queue system in which a separate line exists for any service desk or cashier. The second is single line queues. A single line grouping client referred to as a call forward system. bringing them to a variety of cashier or service areas. The next is the third, disperse or digital queues. The queue management provide a ticket management system to distribute the waiting line. Next is the queue order determines how to pick customer for a service within a queue. The following process is first come first serve. This mode is generally used in second terms in the real world, such as bank teller. Last come first serve. This mode works against customer arrival by offering a reverse order service. The next is priority discipline. Under this discipline, customers are classified into categories. Then each category is given different priorities.
In conclusion, we know that activities in warehousing have a lot of steps that need to be done by workers in warehouse to make sure products in a good condition and arrive to the customer on time. In order to build instruments, computers, goods and services that fulfill our needs and expectations, technology is the collection of information, abilities, appetites, and techniques by which humans modify terms and use our work. More technology management institutions deliver such degree programs online as technology continues to progress. In order to manage crowds successfully, cooperation and education among all stakeholders are highly desirable. We need to create a list of all places in our shop that might pose danger and things we need to avoid accident before we set up the crowd management plan. There must be a not compromise on health and the wellness of people in crowd. Inventory management in crowd management also is important to prevent crowd disaster. So, I think that's all from our group. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay home. Hashtag kita jaga kita. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.